In this example, I'm going to show you how to eliminate fractions in an equation. This is only possible if what we're working with is an equation. There must be an equal sign in the problem. If not, you can't do this. In the case of eliminating fractions from an equation, what we do is we multiply every term in the equation. We have three terms here, this one, and this one, by the least common denominator. In this case, for 3, 4, and 3, the LCD, or least common denominator, is 12. So I'm going to multiply everything by 12. I'm going to show it as 12 over 1, so it'll make a little more sense to you. You can drop the 12 over 1 later on when you get comfortable with this process. So I'm going to do 12 over 1 times 1/3 times x minus 12 over 1 times 1/4 is equal to 12 over 1 times 2 over 3. Every term multiplied by 12. And you should recall from your work with fractions that I can take a bit of a shortcut here and say that this is 3 into 12 is 4. So the 12 and 3 are gone. You're left with 4. Then 4 into 12 is 3, and 3 into 12 is 4. So what I'm left with here is 4 times x minus 3 times 1, which is still 3, is equal to 4 times 2. Don't forget this 2 is still here. Now this, you'll see, 4x minus 3 equals 8, is much simpler than what we started out with. 1/3 x minus 1/4 is equal to 2 over 3. And they have the same value. So in order to solve for x now, I simply add 3 to both sides. I get 4x, the minus 3 plus 3 is 0, is equal to 8 plus 3. Don't forget to add it to the right side, that's 11. I divide everything by 4, and I get x is equal to 11/4. And we had to do really no work at all with fractions except to find the least common denominator and multiply every term by the LCD. So our answer is x is equal to 11/4. Remember, we can only do this at this point when we have an equation. In another video, I'll show you how you can do this when you don't have an equation, but there's an extra step involved.